Hey students, hello, welcome to your online classes. Hope you all are fine. Last day through our live classes, we have started our one chapter number 2, the poem Learn to be Grateful. I said that the whole chapter contains 6 stanzas. 3 we have already completed. The second portion means the last 3 stanzas. Today I will explain you so that you can get all the things that will help you afterwards when you will write down the question and answers. Okay, so let's see. If you have your book in front of you, or when you will watch the video, keep the book with you. Okay, that will help you. You can just go with me as I will read the poem. Okay, let's just start now. Be grateful. Learn to be grateful. Last we have completed stanza number 3. Now the fourth stanza. Be grateful for the morning dew, the grass beneath your feet, the soft caresses of your babes, and all their laughter sweet. So, as it is written here, be grateful for the morning dew. Now dew is the tiny, it's basically the tiny droplets of water on cool surface. Means in barefoot, if you walk in the morning on the grass, you can feel something soft and wet. This type of feelings you can get, that you can understand that this is the morning dew. It is basically formed during the morning, only in the morning, so you can feel it. So be grateful for that. The grass beneath your feet, as I said, if you walk on the beneath means under your feet, you will feel the morning dew. Be grateful for that, because whenever you are walking on it, you will feel so good, so soothing, soft and cool things just beneath your feet. That is a great effect. Okay, the soft caresses of your babes. Here babes means babies, or the friends that you have, their love and care for you, and all their laughter sweet. And when they are playing, basically the small babies, when they are playing, they are making so much laughter. If you watch at them, if you look at them, you will feel so happy and soothing from inside, that if you ever have in a mood of in gloomy mood, you will feel definitely very good with them. This is the most wonderful thing with the babies actually. So this was the fourth stanza. Now we are going to the fifth stanza. Okay, now just follow me. Acquire the grateful habit. Learn to see how blessed you are, how much there is to gladden life, how little far to mar. Excellent stanza. Acquire the beautiful habit. Acquire means that you have to means with effort, with continuous effort, you have to make an habit to be to be grateful. Means you have to continuous practice, you have to give effort, and then you will get the habit of to be grateful. And you have to learn to be grateful, because to see how blessed you are. How blessed, here the spelling blessed mean actually blessed, as we say that may the God bless you, that this bless is written here as blessed. So you should learn that how much blessed you are. Then only you will understand. First you have to be learn to be grateful. Okay, how much there is to gladden life, how little life to mar. There are so many things to gladden, to make you happy. There are so many things that basically makes you happy. So when you learn to be grateful, you will think that in everything, either it is in from your previous stanzas, either it is the small growing trees, or the means the garden of rose that is going to bloom soon, then your friends, your family members, everyone, every single thing, if you are grateful at them, you can understand that you how much you are blessed. If you are never in the mood that is not good, then you are having someone in your life to talk with them, to share, but only because they love you, they want to listen from you, that why you are facing the problem, what is the problem actually, and how to get rid of this, means how to overcome your problems. Okay, How much there is to gladden life, how little life to mar. Here to mar means to damage or to ruin something. To damage or to ruin something means if sometimes it happens, it is very natural that every time we are not happy, and at the same time always not we are sad. So whenever you have the reason to be sad, you have to understand that life has given you so many things that you should feel like blessed. Okay, so then you will have less regret for anything. Then you will not say no, I'm not happy with these things. You can, it may have that you are not happy with a single thing or two or three things, but you have thousand reason to be happy. This is the most important thing. Okay, so with that we are going to the next stanza, means the last one, the sixth one. Okay, and what if rain shall fall today and you with grief are sad? Be grateful that you can recall the choice that you have had. See, as I explained, it is written, and what if rain shall fall today and you with grief are sad. Means if every day will be, the weather will be fine, you will be able to enjoy outside, you can go, you can fly the kites. Life never is like that. Means sometimes you can feel that the day is rainy. Here the rainy day means the sad or grief feelings in our life, that is quite a similar way. There is a comparison. Okay, and you will grieve and sad means the way you are, sometimes you are sad, you are not happy. In the similar way, every day is not so beautiful with so beautiful weather, sunny weather, or clean sky, so that you can enjoy outside. So whatever it is, be grateful that you can recall the joys that you have had. Whatever the reason is behind your unhappiness, yes, then you can have a thousand moments to recall when you have faced the thing that was full of joy. So if you can think like this, that suppose I'm not happy today. If you think that I'm not happy, I'm just not feeling good, then you have thousand reason to think that that day that these things happened that gave me pleasure. If you think always, there's a thing that if you think positive, that positive will happen to you. If you think negative, the negative will happen to you. Means whatever you will think, actually through your thinking you are attracting them towards yourself. So in always in sad mood also, if you can't, if you want to change the situation, you have to think like positive. In second or third stanza, maybe in second stanza, I told you there was two line, like around you so many people are there, they are they are not able to go to school to learn things, to have new clothes, then very good delicious food. Still they are happy with their life. Maybe they are, somehow they are finding their way also, otherwise we will not be able to live. So if you look at them, one day your mother has cooked some things that you don't like, but if you, the next moment, if you see that there is one person who is not getting the same food also to eat, then how you will feel? You should you should have the feelings of gratefulness, that thank you God that I am able, that you have given me you have blessed me with the food. You are much better than some other people. Maybe in their life there are so many problems are there, but you are happy. So it's written by Edgar Egast. Then whatever means throughout the poem, one thing is clear: you should be thankful to God always. Be like, you should be grateful to the God always for giving you such a beautiful life, okay, that you are leading. Maybe there are reason to be sad, but if there are reason, 2 or 3 reasons behind your sadness, then there will be thousand reason to be happy. Only what you have to do, you have to think, you have to find them. For that you need to be grateful. Whenever you will be grateful, if you are in a mood of sadness or jealousy or whatever it is, if you see a beautiful flower like the rose garden I said, your mood will be suddenly happy, so you'll be happy. So you have to only find out the things, otherwise everything is there in life. So only you have to try, and you have to be grateful. Definitely for the trial also you need to acquire the habit to be grateful. Hope you have understood the summary or the gist or the inner meaning of the poem. So take care of yourself, read the poem. I will come again with another chapter. Till then, take care, students. Bye bye.